Sabi nila, love always comes at the right time. But for us, it wasn't just timing. It was God's perfect
Or
time.
kilala mo yung dumaan?
Oo to, si Summer. Kaso may boyfriend na yun eh.
Hindi ko naman tinatanong kung may boyfriend na yun eh.
Minsan, isang sulyap lang ang kailangan.
Ay, ang cute ni Crush.
And in that moment, a simple crush became a promise waiting to unfold.
Ang cute nun. Crush ko yun. Uy, kilala ko yun si Ian. Crush ka din nun eh. What? Crush ko yun. May number ka? Siyempre. May bigay ko sa'yo. 0981 Sige, text ko.
From stolen glances to a single hi sa text, doon nagsimula ang kwento. Simple, innocent, pero totoo. Hand in hand sa school corridors, laughter in the quadrangle, maliit man na moments, naging malaking parte ng love story natin. Then came the distance, challenges, nights of waiting and questioning. Pero imbis na sumuko, our love grew stronger, tested by time, grounded in faith. Kahit ilang challenges, distance at paghihintay, one thing remained. We chose each other every single day. This is not just a prenup video. This is a testimony. That waiting is worth it kapag si Lord ang nasa gitna ng relasyon.
Kakaiba, pag-ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara. Pagmamahalang tapat at totoo.
From 2010 to forever, Ian and Chantel, a love story written by God.